right, and welcome to another episode of Nerf Guns in Review, Locked and Loaded. I'm Sabers Point.
I am Chemospota.
And this is Zachzilla 3 million. Hi, Zach. We're ready to go. All right. Well, this is episode 5. I can't believe we've actually done this for 5 weeks in a row now.
Yeah.
Woohoo! All right, well, tell us today what the Nerf gun is that we're reviewing.
Retaliator.
The Retaliator! All right, tell us about the features of this weapon here, there, Mr. Camo Spider.
Yeah. So it has this thing.
Oh yes, we're back to this thing, and we all know what this thing. It's a sight, you dork. Okay, what you do is this thing is you look down the end of the barrel when you see your target, like we see Graham sitting back there. You get her in the sight, and you go. Pow! Continue.
I have to tell one thing before we get...
Well, let's do it, buddy. That's what this show's all about, is telling people about the guns. Let's do it.
So it doesn't take any batteries, but you can get these in different colors. You can get it in regular blue, which is plastic. You can get it in the light clear plastic, like this one. You can get it in white. And that's it.
Tell me how many rounds this magazine takes there, Mr. Camo Spider.
12.
12 rounds. This weapon also modifies. Is that not correct?
Yeah. This has the holder. So you hold it here and you're like, I'm going to destroy.
The all-important holder. And, you know, as I said in the previous episode, one of the big reasons why these things come off is because when you lose them, Mommy and Daddy gotta buy you another one. What else do we got on this weapon that is modifiable?
You have the shoulder thingy.
The shoulder thingy. Show us the shoulder thingy. It comes off the weapon. Oh, you got the holder. Thank you. I got a hold of you, babe. Now, I really want everybody to see this. Once you get the shoulder thingy off and the holder thingy off, right, you've got a pretty cool looking weapon here. I mean, this thing is sleek. This thing looks dangerous. You go into a firefight, I'll tell you what, just by the looks of this thing, your enemy would see it and go, I'm getting out of there. Look at that guy. He's got a big blue-orange gun. He's going to blow me away.
Also,
what else we got going on?
T-Rex was shooting this gun.
Right. That's right. In one of our previous episodes, even a T-Rex can use it. And we all know T-Rex has got these tiny little hands like this. I don't even know how he can scratch his own chin, let alone hold a Retaliator. This is modifiable 4 times. There's 4 ways to modify this weapon, as we were talking about before. We also know for a fact that this fires up to 90 feet. No batteries, as Camo Spider had previously noted. This weapon is about $26 in the stores. So not too incredibly bad. You don't want to have your toddlers playing with those little bullets because, as you know, they like to eat everything they can get their hands on. They'll eat the bullets. They'll eat the yeah. Oh no, you don't want to eat the bullets. They don't taste good, right? No. Do you like the little Retaliator there, Zachzilla 3 million?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, whoa! Oh, we almost lost Zachzilla 3 million! It is time to fire the weapon! The Retaliator!
My jam. Ow!
He shot himself in the leg! Boom! 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 Shoot Grandma back there! Boom! Oh, you got it right in the oh! You see that? See a cop. Go ahead,
you can do a really fast. Oh. You know what? Maybe not.
And now it's time for us to do our Nerf Guns and Review Locked and Loaded tests, where we take this weapon out and give it a test drive to see how deadly it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the various tests, the T-Rex hunt and all that stuff. You guys know the drill. So, now it's time. The tests. See ya! Clear the area. Toddler test. We are testing the Retaliator. Toddler test. Go ahead, Zachary. See if that gun works. The weapon is so good, it is hypnotizing. Okay. Toddler test is over. Thank you for playing. Come on, Atlanta. Hang on. Beat the Patriots. I do not want Brady to get another Super Bowl ring. Stop this guy. Come on, Atlanta. I can't stand this Brady guy. You gotta stop him.
Tossed away.
No! I can't stand you, Brady. I hate you, Brady. Oh, Brady, I can't stand you. Get out of my life, Tom Brady! Oh, did you see the T-Rexes? Oh, they're so lovely. We should never shoot the T-Rex again, Camo Spider. Camo Spider, what do you give the Retaliator?
I give the Retaliator 10 bullets.
10 bullets for the Retaliator from Camo Spider. That is really impressive. Why? Why do you like it so much?
That, I don't know, but
that's the best review you could get. I don't know. It's just so doggone good.
Go.
You want to go down?
Go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Cool.
All right, so as for me, I'm going to give the Retaliator, I think, a good solid 7 bullets, okay? Without the automatic battery-operated, whatever you call it, it just isn't as much of a fun weapon for me. Cocking and firing. It's definitely a good weapon. It fires really well.
Also, the jamming is extremely annoying. With the way the door opens is so not wide enough because the jamming can be real bad. Your bullets can whip in half.
Well, would you like to reconsider your score then?
No.
Still a 10. Well, that's it for Nerf Guns and Review. I'm Sabers Point.
I am Chemos.
And we were joined by Zachzilla 3 million. Zachzilla, do you want to come up here and say goodbye? That's a no. Okay, well, as always, if you like our show, go ahead and like it. Subscribe. We'd love to have you on board the Nerf Guns and Review Locked and Loaded team. And we love Nerf Guns because Nerf Guns will blow you